So this goes up. There's a little eject button right here. Push that. It might sound like it's dying, but I remember when it was brand new, it made the same sound. Rewind it for starters. You can see this has the S-video input and the stereo audio. The on the top it needs to be set to VTR. Rewound, we've got the S-video connected to the S-video connector to the USB in this computer, and you do need a disk drive to load the software. So this is all set to play, and I will hit play here and then record over here. So there is the record button that you push when you start
Gloria, where's
and
Jehovah?
stop. And when you stop,
In the sky?
it creates a
Is
new
that a
file.
yes or no?